Now, Patna presented me immense complexities due to its size, its people. 1/10 of India lives there. While challenging it, it was equally, if not more, rewarding. I must acknowledge that. I had traveled across the length and breadth of the state and truly felt a great sense of belonging to the land of Nalanda. Patna taught me another thing, and that is live the Constitution. How do you live the Constitution? One, you have to travel. You have to feel the pain, the agony, the sorrow of people. I was lucky to have Brother Amanullah there. We would deliberate, we would talk, and we would work for the people. Patna also taught me one thing. Sir, if you will allow me, can I converse in Hindi also? And that is, एक प्रणाम कई परिणाम बदल देता है. दूसरी चीज पटना ने मुझे सिखाई कि आप कुर्सी पे बैठे हैं या कुर्सी आप पे बैठी है. तीसरी चीज पटना ने ये सिखाई, बिहार, यहाँ बहुत सारे बिहार से आए हैं, कि सुनिए, लिसन, और फिर जो आप ठीक समझते हैं वो करिए. और if I were to sum it up, my experience in Patna, I would say कि I often would say that पटना ने मुझे ये सिखाया और बताया, महसूस करवाया कि चौराहे पे खड़ा हुआ जो कांस्टेबल है उसकी लाठी और सीटी में संविधान की आवाज है. And then, by a very fortuitous circumstance, I have already acknowledged and expressed my gratitude to those who have brought me here. I came here. I do remember on 14th of April 2023, this very same association had a function, welcome function. And in that welcome function, I only said, I was asked to say that what is going to be my value addition to this institution. Brother Amanullah would remember that. We were asked to speak, what is going to be your value addition to this institution? And at that point of time I had said, I quote, because it is there on the YouTube, I shall meet my master, when I meet my master, I shall do so with delight and not with a sense of guilt and remorse. Now, whether 3.5 years down the line, I have been able to live up to that hope of mine, my words of mine, I leave it for posterity to judge. I leave it for the entire bar to judge. But I will say one thing, that as I look back, I have a deep sense of contentment. दिल से आवाज आ रही है, ठीक किया, जो भी किया, थोड़ा किया, करो. और रात को नींद अच्छी आ जाती है. और कोई शिकवा नहीं है, किसी से कोई गिला नहीं है, there are no regrets. Past 3.5 years, yesterday I was telling Chief Saab, those who are born, not born, those who are active, who became adolescents in the year 80s or prior thereto, they know what is a matinee show, a jubilee show. तो मुझे आज ऐसा लग रहा है कि 3.5 साल बड़े एक्शन पैक्ड रहे, डिमांडिंग रहे, एग्जॉस्टिंग रहे, लंबे थे, रातें लंबी थी, दिन लंबे थे, डिफिकल्ट डिसीजंस लेने थे, लेकिन बहुत कंटेंटमेंट है। घर जा रहा हूँ खुशी खुशी। थैंक यू वेरी मच चीफ साहब। ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ that when I came to this, sir, I hope I'm not exceeding your time. Honorable Chief's time is very valuable. He has a meeting, I know that. जब वो अपनी डिमांड रख रहे थे तो राय साहब, तो उन्होंने नाथ साहब का भी नाम लिया और विश्वनाथन साहब का भी नाम लिया, और नरसिम्हा साहब को कैसे भूल गए मुझे मालूम नहीं है। और 3 future chief justices of India are here. When you walk into the corridors, the second floor of the corridor, you find, the photographs of all those who have adorned this bench. Mr. Parekh knows, none else other than Mr. Parekh knows the bar better here. And the judges. So I was just, today, sir, I was just noticing that from Justice Kanya onwards, and the present Honorable CJI, the people who have adorned this office, it occurred to me when I came that we have to step into their shoes. And therefore, every moment of ours has to be such that whether inside court or outside court, while we are in office or when we are out of office, should be such that it brings majesty and dignity to this institution, which is the Supreme Court of India. To the bar and to my colleagues, I would also say, kindly pardon me for all the excesses I have done, knowingly, unknowingly, inadvertently, or otherwise. I think I deserve that from you. The relationship between the bar and the bench is nothing but just a symphony. You and I, we both have to be here. There's none else. And therefore, we have to work as a stakeholder. But I would very strongly request the bar that our strength, judges' strength, lies from the bar and nowhere else. If at all there is a custodian of the justice delivery system, it is the bar at whatever level it may be. Because judges come and judges go. Judges come and judges go. It is the bar only who's here. And also, I would say that the stronger the bar, the stronger the bench. Mr. Sharma is sitting here, who has given his life to Mr. Nariman. I do remember an instance when, I don't want to name the Honorable Judge, when the judge almost ridiculed a party person in court. And Mr. Nariman stood up and told the Honorable Judge, "Judge, you are wrong. Henceforth, I will never ever enter your courtroom." The stronger the bar, the stronger the bench. We have seen those days. For the younger members of the bar, let me share this with you, that I have done a lot of freelancing. We were looking for opportunities. And एक हिंदी में एक्सप्रेशन है विद्वान. लेकिन अगर आपको विद्यावान बनना है तो आपको कचहरी में ही आना पड़ेगा, कोर्ट रूम में ही आना पड़ेगा. आपकी असली ग्रूमिंग जो है